Hey everybody, it's Gio Ritas with the Real Estate Investment Group at Nationwide Realty, and I'm going to check my notes while I talk to you, but the Federal Housing Finance Administration just put out a confirmation that the floor in pricing in the housing market is real and is sustaining. So it goes very, very closely to in accordance to what it is that we've been telling all of our members and all of our followers, that the pricing floor is put in, and Federal Housing Administration is now submitting the fact that it has strength and it is real, it's valid. That, along with the Fannie Mae raising their limits as well, very much support what it is that we've been talking about and where prices for houses are going. So as a result of that, if you're in the market and you think you might be wanting to buy some real estate at some point in the near future, especially in Las Vegas, you should show up to our sponsored webinar. We have a special event for everybody that's on our exclusive buyers list. It's a free event, but there is limited seating. We're going to be talking with national mortgage expert Mr. Nelson Morales from Blue Leaf Lending. He's going to be talking about what is going on in the market right now. He's going to be giving us some very valuable exclusive information. He's going to be talking to us about things that are going to present themselves not only now while you're preparing yourself, but in the future. And he's going to give us some options and some solutions to be able to find ways to maximize whatever it is that you're trying to do in real estate, especially in Las Vegas. The webinar is free, again, to all of our people on our exclusive buyers list. So if you're not on, please go ahead and send me an email to Gio at reiglv.com. Hope to see you guys there. It's going to be an awesome event. Nelson's an amazing presenter, and he's got some great information to share with you. Hope to see you guys there.